vaza. Have I lost you, Lisa? If I can continue.
Vaza.
Okay, and this is a segol, makes the S sound. So it's vaza.
Vaze.
Very good. Continue.
Vaze.
Beautiful. Next.
Vaza.
Beautiful. Continue.
Vaza.
Excellent.
Gaza.
Excellent, Gaza. And lastly,
Vaze.
careful with this second letter. Is a design or a vav?
Yeah. Vave.
We're very glad to have you back with us. And secondly, you remember things very well. I hope you understand that it was worthwhile just to maybe back up one letter, because you've got a chance now to review and warm up again. And in the coming classes will accelerate very well. I just wanted to give you a chance to warm up and recall some of the basics and have a successful return. So well done, very nice. Let me jump now to the scripture lesson. We're taking something from Genesis chapter 1. And before we get into the verse itself, let's learn some vocabulary. Joseph, could you basically lead the discussion, starting with the shoresh, what a shoresh is, and the shoresh that we're learning, and then we'll continue on to milim. Joseph, could you kindly take the lead now?
Yes. So this one is shoresh. It means root.
Right, and can you help us? Right. And generally speaking, what is a shoresh, brother?
Shoresh.
What is the Hebrew root? Yeah.
It is a Hebrew word that means root.
Right. And typically the shoresh, or the Hebrew root, is comprised of 3 letters.
Yes.
And these letters, Louisa, can be transformed into all sorts of words. Hundreds and hundreds of words can come from one shoresh, or one Hebrew root. And the root we're learning today is Yud Resh Daled. The Resh is probably new to you, Louisa, as is the Yud, but you can recognize it visually. This is the word Yarad, which means to descend. And we can find that word in our verse. Let's take a look at the verse and see if we can find the instance of the shoresh Yarad. Do you see it, Joseph? Can you spot it?
Yarad.
Yeah, we have to find that Yud Resh Daled. Oh, okay.
In the second letter, the second syllable. Yarad.
Very good. The second line.
Yes, the second line, the second syllable.
Year. Very good. Very good. Yes, exactly. Well done. So this is essentially the exercise that we can visually find these words, the year do. Even though we might not know all of the letters yet in our learning, we can identify the words through the color and also just remembering the shapes of the letters. Now we're going to get into the milim, Joseph, and help us remember, what does the word milim mean?
Yes. Milim.
The word milim is Hebrew for,
for male.
Milim means words or vocabulary. So every day we learn some vocabulary or some new words from the Hebrew verse. Meal is the singular word. Milim is plural, as you correctly said, the masculine plural words. Joseph, could you kindly lead us in reciting the new vocabulary and the translations into English?
Adam means man.
Well done. Meaning?
Man.
Nice. Next. Right. Very good.
Elem.
Next Hebrew word.
Elem.
So this is the tzadi.
Oh. Selem.
Yeah. Very nice. Tselem. Louisa, you're welcome to unmute and to repeat these words after Joseph. Your connection's very good. And Gideon, likewise, you're welcome to unmute and repeat the words.
Selem.
And the word Selim, and very good, Selim, well done. Nice. And the English translation?
Image.
Image.
Image, well done. Nice.
Image.
Well done, Louisa. How about the next Hebrew word?
Demut.
Demut.
Well done.
Demut, likeness.
Likeness. How about the next word? I didn't put any vowels in this one, but we've actually learned this one before. I'll try and get some vowels in here right now for you guys.
Dag.
Dag.
Well done. Well done. There's a vowel for you. Instant vowel. And what is a dog?
Fish.
Dog.
Well done. A fish. A samaki.
Yeah.
Okay. And the next word, kindly?
Off.
Very nice. So this is the ayin. I
Yof.
think. Oh, no, you had it right, Gideon.
Okay.
Let's just take a moment. I think I feel just a little bit of a advantage. Here is our ayin, and here's sadi. Can you see, Joseph, how we might get these confused, or do they look fairly different to you?
Ayin and the Sadi.
And the tzadi. Yeah.
The Sadi has a flat base. While
Well
Ayin-
spoken. Very nice.
Ayin has a sharp.
Correct. It takes a sharp turn to the left. But the confusion is at the top with these two handles of the walking stick are very similar. That's where the confusion is at the top. So we have to look at the bottom. The tzadi has a flat base. The ayin has the sharp curve. Well spoken. Okay. Let's try and find some instances. Oh, there's one more Hebrew word for you guys. Let's see who can nail this last Hebrew word, kindly.
You have not shown this.
Oh, I'm not sharing. Okay, here we go.
Behema.
Behema.
Nice, behema. Beautiful, behema. And the English translation of behema?
Beast.
A beast. Okay. So let's find the Hebrew, let's find the red words, the milim, the vocabulary. Let's look at the second line. And which words did we learn on the second line?
Adam.
Do you recall the meaning of Adam?
Yes, man.
Yes, man.
Man, very good. Right. Do you recognize this, another word that we learned? So this one, yeah, that's right. Selim. This is a little bit tricky because the vowels change.
Mhm.
But we learned the word selim, which means image. And so now it's been converted a little bit, but we still see the word we learned. How about in the third line? Can we identify the words we've learned?
Demot. Demote.
Che.
Right, right. Very nice. How about in the next word? This is our shoresh.
Irido.
Right, Yirdu from Yarad. And lastly,
Yeah. Deg.
right,
Deg.
right,
Deg.
Ega.
right. We have, and now we have Digat. So
Yeah.
we see how we can bring in our knowledge of some vocabulary, and very nice, Vidgat, nice. So why don't we have a chance, each of you guys can take 3 lines. Gideon, why don't you do the first several lines, and then Joseph can finish it up for us.
Okay.
Vayomer.
Vayomer.
Nice.
Elohim.
Nice.
Na ese. Na
Beautiful.
eso. Ese.
No,
Yeah.
Naasa. Yep.
Na ase. Adam. Be
Careful, we just reviewed this difference
Beta.
between I. There you go.
beta. Lemenu.
Okay, careful, brother. Make a closed syllable here. Sal.
Betal. Menu.
Beautiful. Bitsalmenu.
Yep.
Next word.
Kid.
Beautiful.
Kid mutenu.
Beautiful. Beautiful. 2 more words.
Veire. Do.
And you can relax on this. The year.
Veir.
Do.
Veir do.
Beautiful.
Bid guts.
Very nice. Very nice. A lot of progress. You're nailing these closed syllables and the schwas inside the words. Joseph, kindly finish our verse for us today.
Hayam. Uf.
I am beautiful.
Hayam.
That's a cholam, uv oaf.
Of.
Oaf.
Uv
Oh,
oaf.
it's in, right.
Yes.
Nice.
Hashamayim.
Wait, it's Joseph's turn, Gideon.
Okay.
Well done.
Uvad. Hima.
Nice. That's careful with this letter, otherwise it was perfect. This third letter, the first red letter, is that a bet or a dalet?
Uvav. Hima.
Beautiful. Uvab hima. Next.
Uvhal.
Very nice. And let me share with you something I shared with. This is something I just need to transmit to you as a tradition. This is pronounced cha, chol, uvechol.
Uvhal.
Right. It's an exception. Very nice. Continue.
Haaretz.
Well done. Continue.
Uvhal.
Nice. Good job. Continue.
Haremes.
Beautiful. Haremes. Don't forget our segol rule. 2 segos in a row give the first the accent. Haremes.
Haremes.
There you go.
Haromes.
There you go. Haromes. And lastly,
Al 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 haaretz.
Well done. Beautiful, beautiful work. Let me give it over to you guys. Vayomer Elohim, and God said, Nase Adam b'tzalmenu. Let us make man in our image, Kid Musenu, in our likeness, as in our likeness. V'yirdu v'itgat hayam, and he will rule over the fish of the sea, uve'of hashemayim, and the birds in the heavens, uvabhema, and over all the beasts, uvechol haaretz, and over all the land, uvechol haremes, and all the insects, haromes al haaretz, that crawl on the earth. So this is the verse from Genesis that talks about the natural fear that animals have for man. So that's our verse, and I think we got a few vocabulary words. There's some grammar that we could also review, but we'll save that for another day. Very nice work, Maria and Louisa. Again, so glad to have you back with us. Gideon and Joseph, as always, thank you for your support and the amazing progress you make every day at an advanced level. We will continue tomorrow. So I wish you a good night for today.
Thank you very much.
To you, sir.
Thank you.
Success.
Thanks,
Blessed day.
Maria. Have a
Bye.
good evening all.
Bye bye.